What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to KB's World. We about to do another unboxing, man. A long time coming with this shoe unboxing. Haven't done one in a minute, but we about to do this shoe unboxing. I've been obviously, I don't say obviously, but so you know, people got like that, but I don't have like that. But kind of held back off on the shoes. Been trying to, you know, get the house together, get the funds together for the house, you know, blessed with a house for the family and stuff. So we in there. Finally got back on sneaker app and sneakers app and kind of tapped in. Missed a couple. Got my first dub. I've been taking L's ever since, but that's neither besides the point. But let's just see what we got. Box, thumbnail. Yeah, all right, so got the box here, so they might give you a hint a little bit. Size 10, boom. What we got here is the Ken Griffey Jr. Air Max 1. And they'll say that right. Air Griffey Max 1, that's what I should say. Ken Griffey's, that's what we call them back in the day. So that's what we call them. So, man, a shoe I definitely never had in the collection. Shoe I never definitely had in the collection. So it's nice to have it now. I was thinking about resale and all that, but I was like, you know, I got my hand. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna keep they were real popular when it first came out when I was in high school. That dates me, but in fact, I like when Nike was coming out with these type of shoes though. Charles Barkley's, these type of junior sales. Anyway, let's go through them. So if you haven't seen, you know, 24, that was his number. You got the Seattle Mariners colorway. You got the tab right there. Tab in the back. Nike kind of like on the side. You got the air bubble. So real cushion right there. You got the Nike check on the side of my left, and it's gonna be on the right. You got the red tab right here with the black laces. Inside the shoe is gonna be kind of another shoe in a way, like again, but I don't know if you can see, you know, you can't see that, but inside the sole is or what's that, the shoe, I don't know what you call this, I could probably take it out. The sole though, shoe sole is it's kind of like this green and with the red Nike inside, so it's a fly design. Baseball shoe, so it's a tennis shoe. It's not a sneaker, but it's not a basketball shoe or anything like that. Cool design, like all the way around though. Just having it in hand, not really studying it before. The Air Max bubble, invisibleness goes in there. I'm guaranteed you put this on, as long as it fit me, I'm good. But it's gonna be comfortable. But yeah, I think pretty dope pickup. You know what I'm saying? I was looking at the camera, looking away from the camera, trying to do the thumbnail. But yeah, I don't know. Let's see one of them. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all got these anyway, so I'm not trying to brag, but yeah, dope pickup for me. You know, I'm gonna probably keep them in the collection, keep them in the rotation. You know, and we gonna go from there. But anyway. The Air Max, I'm sorry, the Ken Griffey Max 1. So till next time, till the next shoe, hopefully you know, we catch another win or another dub, and it's to the benefit. But KB's World, on the D-Mac.